Hi there. You are watching the Scuba Mom. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble the baby walker, the safety purse. Let's get started. And here with all the parts that come with 4 wheels, toys, and seat. When you get all the part out of the box, basically it's gonna look like this. You see the legs, 2 legs. It's gonna stuck with the console like this. You just got to get it out. Here, it's very easy. You see 2 sides of it. One long, let's show you clear. One is have a long size here, and one is has a shorter one. And they have a trigger. You just pull the trigger and push it out. Like this. And on the other side, the same thing. Pull the trigger and yank it out. Now we're gonna start from the bottom, is the base. As you see on the bottom, you see they have right here, they have all the shape, especially the round one here and the sharp one here. It's got to be exactly like what they form it, what the manufacturer make it. It's got to be exactly slide all the way in. As you got to put all the way, it's supposed to be like this and like this, right? Now we're gonna go right here, then you can see. You see the shape, the same shape. You see the shape is the same shape. Round, and here is round too. And here is all the, just like the rectangle one. And here is also too. Then put them together and just slide. Right here, they allow you to adjust the position, highest and lowest. My baby just 4 months old. I make it all the way down. All I need to do is just push the button right here, push all the way in, and slide. And it's gonna go 1 block at a time. When you wanna go all the way down here, push it all the way back, slide it up a little bit, push it all the way back, and slide it down. Just like I said, it's gonna be 1 position at a time. Pull it up again, push all the way down, and slide it in. And on the other side, we do the same. Round shape, like a rectangle shape right here. And right here they have the same round shape and rectangle. Just push it all the way in. You see it's matching all the way in. Slide, push it all the way back, push it down, pull it up a little bit, push all the way back, push it down, pull it up a little bit, push all the way back, and slide it down. And now we're gonna start with the seat. We're gonna go with the seat. which is first, you need this patch, the seat patch, to install in on the base. You call the dashboard or whatever you want to call it. And you see the pattern. The pattern is supposed to be in. They're gonna come with the shape already, like this. And you just put it on just like the case. And you're gonna see here they have the thing, the step or the click that you can slide this one in and trying to hook it. I show you here. We're gonna slide this one through here. And once it gets through there, you're gonna pull all the way until it's hooked. Okay, we do another one. We got to do every single one of them to make sure the baby sit. When the baby sits, it's gonna be safe. This one also, pull all the way in. Pretty easy. Okay, now we got the seat for the baby. It's gonna come out like this when you're done. Then this is the bottom. Okay. I showed you earlier about the wheels. They have two kinds of wheels. First is round one, and then another one is have a grid on with the screw. Now I'm gonna show you how to put in. When you're done with the bottom and you're ready to put the wheel in, they come with two different wheels. Which is one you got to put the screw in, two of them, and another one you just slide in with the wheel. Again, come with two of them. Here the wheel, one of the wheel that we have. First, see the hole right here? Just slide it in. All the way in. And the second one, again, slide all the way in. And you see the one different one that they have a grid, the grid that come with this, and they come with the screw here, right here, that you're supposed to slide in. Make sure the outside out, and screw in like this. You're gonna see right here, they have something that you can push the plastic piece. You can push and allow the screw all the way in. Okay, show you again. When you put the screw in, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna allow the screw all the way in here. And another one, outside, face out, the screw, put all the way in. And they have a plastic right here, the trigger, hold it. Now we come to the part that we put the seat on. Basically this one when you put on, it's already come with exactly position you got to put in. The long piece and the short piece. The long piece is go on the side. That is nothing or no plastic piece. And this one is a short piece that is gonna snap in like this and snap it, and again on the other side too. Again, long piece, go all the way in and snap it. Now it's come to the part for the console that with all the toy. I have put some, already put the toy, one of them right here, and the middle one, and the last piece that we didn't put is this one. They have a trigger right here too. Push all the way in. And it's gonna snap. Over here they have a switch off and on. In the middle. When the baby plays, it have a music. After we complete the assembly, the baby can enjoy the walker. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day.